I wanted to do a quick video of the future beehive. Over here, this little tiny thing that looks like it's about dead because it was not put in the right place by FedEx. They just throw crap out in front of my gate. They don't bother to put it where it belongs. That is a flowering cherry tree. Get up to 40 feet tall, 40 feet wide in about 10 to 12 years. As you see, I have mini daisies all over my yard. These are going to be sunflowers. I'm keeping the yard long so the daisies can grow. Over here, I've planted wildflowers everywhere. Whatever these little white things are called, I call them mini daisies. This is my Chinese wisteria tree. Again, abused. I'm hoping it comes back. I'm leaving everything like a field. I am going to mow it when the flowers get a little bit dim and they look icky. I'll mow everything down because the grass itself is not growing. It's the flowers that are sticking up. And the whole goal here is to have bees. Over here you can see all the new growth around the nest. That's all. It goes all the way down and around. That is the new beehive. You can see the wet on the front. The wet on the front is lemon tree oil. So it becomes, we'll see if we catch bees. Otherwise I'll buy after this all dries and gets in. That is the first beehive. If you notice, that's big enough to put 2 hives, one next to the other. And I have enough space to add more hives if I want to. Right here, it's facing south, which is good. It has shade later on in the day, but it has sun early like it does now, which is good. It has 15 feet from that hive until it hits something, which is good. And the only thing around it is going to be either flowers or the ferns. Neither one of those are going to get tall enough to block the hive. I can always raise it up and get a little bit higher, but right now I'm on a nice sturdy base. So that's the beehive. Now we'll see what happens. Am I prone to be a beekeeper, or am I not prone to be a beekeeper? We will find out. Scamphilla, bees, honey.